Hi guys, so I'm making another video and the dogs are barking. I think it's the pet dogs that my neighbors own. Um, Give me a second. So I just shut the window because the dogs were barking really loudly and I wanted to make this quick video since I told you all that I'll be a little bit consistent with my videos. I thought I'll start posting more and yes, I'm trying to do that and I'm trying to um, like I said in the previous video, I just am trying to distract myself from whatever is going on in my life right now. I'll probably talk about it more when I feel like I'm ready to, but for now I'm just happy making videos and I'm just happy sharing with y'all whatever I want to and having a platform to do that. Not being afraid of being judged. I'm sure a lot of you might judge me, but for some reason I rather get judged by strangers than people I know, and I think I'm just loving these moments by myself at night doing my thing and yeah, making videos. So I hope you all like my effort and you all appreciate it and watch my channel and continue to watch it, and I'll try to continue and post as much as I can. So yeah, so in this video I thought I'll share with you all my hijab collection, which is not the complete collection. That'll be like a whole ass like huge ass video. I don't want to make that kind of long video for y'all. I'll just make a short one. So I'm gonna share like a couple of hijabs of mine, my favorites, and I'll just share some of my party hijabs that I own. And yeah, if you guys want to see, just let's get started. So apparently I was wearing my mask the wrong way, so I just corrected it and I hope this looks fine. I don't see much of a difference, but whatever. So I'll just start with the video now. So I'm going to start with this scarf hanger that my mom got me from Amazon. I'm sure you can easily find these on Amazon. If you type like scarf hanger, this will pop up. Probably some other type of hangers as well. But I find these to be super convenient because look at how many scarves it can hold. It still has a lot of space. I can put many more scarves of mine on this. But I usually keep my everyday wear scarves on this. I hang my everyday scarves on this, and yeah, it doesn't even take much space. I can hang this in my cupboard, but I just hang it over there behind me on the door, and yeah, it's just easy to grab, it's just in a place where I can easily grab and just leave, like wear my scarf and leave. So that's where I hang it. Me and my sister share it, so it's just not mine alone, but yeah. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of black scarves. I'm not going to show them in a separate clip. I'm just going to like show you all like how many black scarves I own, because when you buy hijab here, anywhere actually, when you buy hijab, you get a dupatta or like a stole or a scarf with it. So that like it comes with it. So yeah, so you usually like all the women, like most of the women who wear hijab, who wear burqa, they have like quite a collection of these black scarves or stoles, and I feel like these come handy because you can just pair them with any kind of burqa or outfit, or you can just wear it with your kurti or just any way you want. So I really love these universal black scarves that go with everything and anything. Next, you guys can see this scarf. This is a cotton scarf and it's pretty like big and long. I want to remove these from the hanger, but I feel like that'd be too much to do, so I'm just gonna show you like this. This is a cotton scarf and it's so like it just stays on your head. I don't need a head cap. I just put it on and leave if I want to leave, like for a quick like grocery shopping thing or whatever, run errands or whatever. These scarves come handy. Both of these are cotton and both of these are so like long and wide that they give so much coverage. Like I love these two scarves. These are my go-to scarves whenever I want to like go anywhere local or whatever. This one over here, you've seen in my last video, I was wearing this one. This is like, I think this is upside down. Yeah, this is how it is. So I love this one. This is a polka dot scarf, and these days polka dots are in trend. Polka dots, tie-dye, all of these are in trend. So I'm gonna show you the most, like, I bought this scarf just today, so I'm gonna show you the most recent purchase of mine. I'll share it with you in the end, but right now I guess you guys have seen me wear this. This is like internet material, and it's so nice. It's so like cool. Like it doesn't make you feel hot, and I just love it how it stays over your head. I love scarves that stay over your head and you don't need a head cap to wear under it, because I feel extremely hot in head caps. I feel extremely itchy and uncomfortable. I don't really like head caps until it's like a necessity for me. So yeah, one of my favorite favorite stole or scarf that I love to wear is this one. I think I've worn it in one of the videos, but I'm not sure. But if you guys can see, it's a wine color scarf. It's a dark wine color-ish shade, and I love it so much. This is also the kind of chiffon material that stays over your head. You don't really need a head cap, but if you wear a head cap, that'll just help you with like placing your scarf better. But I don't wear my head cap with this as well. So if you guys will notice, most of my headscarves I own are the kind of headscarves that you can wear without head caps. So hassle-free headscarves are my choice of scarves usually. So this one's like very old, and I own this hijab for like, I've owned this hijab for the longest time, and these are like out of trend as well. At one point of time, these pearl hijabs were really in, like scattered pearls and everything were really in, but now they're not that much. But I still have it because it's so soft, and I just wear it like whenever I want to go out and about. I just wear it when I feel like it. It's just like the most comfortable scarf I own. I haven't been able to like give it up yet. So yeah. So I had to change my location because my phone's charge, as usual, was 0%, almost 0%. So before it just shut down on me, I thought I'll just make this these last few clips sitting right here. I don't have a tripod, so I'm gonna make some adjustments. Try to keep my phone a certain way so I can like show you all my party hijabs, and then we'll be done for the video. And then yeah, in the end I'll show you my newest addition to my hijab collection. So yeah, okay, so I hope you all can see me, but I've tried to make this like makeshift tripod thingy because I don't own a tripod. So I just like I put you all like on my suitcase, and then there's a blanket over it, and then you're like placed on top of the blanket. So if you guys see some furry things over here, do not mind, that's my blanket. And if you guys see my microphone, I hope that's fine too. Anyway, I'll just show you all my party hijab collection super quick, and then we'll be done with this video. So here's my party hijab collection. If you guys can see, I have this hanger. I think you can find it anywhere. You can find it in DMart, you can find it anywhere. It just is so nice, like so like good to organize. I mean, that one, the other hanger that I showed you, I think that's like much better. I'll probably get that one more of that, and keep my party hijabs as well in one of those. But if you guys don't have a hanger like that, if you guys aren't able to buy a hanger like that, I think a hanger like this that you can, I'm sure all of you all have at home, you can use it for hanging your hijabs like this and keeping it in your cupboard. You can just hang it like this and then hang it in your cupboard. Super easy. So the first party hijab that I own is this one, and it's a pretty biscuit color scarf with different color leaves printed all over it. And if you guys can see, it sparkles. It has a lot of sparkles as well, and it does not fall off. The sparkles are not the kind that would just like make your skin sparkly and make others sparkly as well. So I love this scarf, and it was so reasonable. I think it was just 250 rupees from where I bought it. I'll probably like I'll let you guys know where I got this from. I probably remember, but I'm confused. So because I keep buying scarves and I keep adding scarves to my collection, so if I remember, I'll put it in my description. This is another one of the scarves that I have. If you guys will notice that I have most of my party scarves have a lot of sparkles in them, because I usually end up wearing it at parties, especially parties at night. So I own a couple of gold sparkly scarves because these go with everything and anything. If you guys are not wanting to have like a lot of colorful scarves, and if you guys can't buy a lot of them, I think owning just a couple of gold scarves, you can style them with so many outfits. So I feel like buy a few gold shaded scarves just like I did, like sparkly ones, and probably buy like a silver scarf, and that will go with almost any of your outfits, any of your party outfits. Then there's this pink color one which has like silver sparkles. This one I bought for my outfit, but I can wear it or pair it with other stuff too. I can wear it over a hijab and not even remove my burqa and just wear this. It just looks like a party outfit in itself. Lastly, this gold one that I recently bought.